Video, you want to find the limit as x and y approaches 0, 0 of x squared times sine squared y over x squared plus y squared. We're going to solve this by using the squeeze theorem. We know a lower bound is going to be 0 because x squared sine squared over x squared plus y squared is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. And the upper bound, we know that sine is less than or equal to x. And so if we square both sides, sine squared is always going to be less than or equal to x squared. In this case, sine squared y is going to be less than or equal to y squared. And then everything else will be the same. So we just need to solve for the limit of x squared y squared over x squared plus y squared. And for that, we're going to use polar. We're going to convert it to polar. And x and y approaching 0, 0 just turns into r approaching 0 from the right. X squared is r squared cosine squared r. Y squared is r squared sine squared r. And then x squared plus y squared is r squared. The r squared from the denominator is going to cancel. And so we're just left with r squared times cosine squared times sine squared. If I plug in r equals 0, r squared is 0, cosine squared is 1, sine squared is 0. We have 0 times 1 times 0. That's going to give me limit 0. So by the squeeze theorem, we know that the lower bound, which is 0, that limit is 0. The upper bound, which is x squared y squared over x squared plus y squared, that approaches 0. Therefore, our original limit has to go to 0.